Hello students, in this video we will discuss about graphical representation of given data. That means ogive. Ogive. What is the ogive? Ogive is nothing but this is a graphical representation. I like already in the previous classes we have studied. There are many type of the graphical representation. I like histogram, bar graph, frequency polygon, frequency curve, pie chart, etc. are the graphical representation of the given data. Now, in this chapter, we will study a new graphical representation which is known as ogive. There are two types of ogive. First is less than ogive. First is less than ogive. And second is more than ogive. More than ogive. Both ogive found, like suppose less than ogive, draw with the help of cumulative frequency and lower limit. Upper limit. Upper limit. That means less than ogive drawn between cumulative frequency and upper limit. Cumulative frequency will be at the x-axis, and upper limit, cumulative frequency on y-axis and upper limit will be at x-axis, while more than ogive found with the help of cumulative frequency and lower limit between cumulative frequency and lower limit, and this is the between cumulative frequency and the upper limit. For draw this ogive, first we find the cumulative frequency of the given data, and that data is converted into the less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency. Then we draw the graph with the help of this, and on more than ogive, cumulative frequency will come at y-axis and lower limit at x-axis. How to change the given frequency into the less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency, and how to draw the graph of this, we will study with the help of one example. But how type of graphs we can find in the less than ogive? This is the x-axis, O, and y-axis. In the less than ogive, graph will be always go from downwards to upwards. This is the less than ogive. That means from downward to upward. While in the more than ogive, x, O, y, graph will becomes always from upward to downward. This will be more than ogive. More than ogive. With the help of this ogive, we can find the median also. That means if we draw the both graphs, less than and more than ogive, on the same graph, then on which point both graph will be intersect. That means this is the less than and this is the more than, and this point intersect both graphs, then we should be draw perpendicular line from P on x-axis. and this perpendicular line intersect at what point of to the x-axis, this value on the x-axis will be median. This point will be median. And if we want to find the median in single, that means less than or more than, then first we find the n by 2. N by 2 means half of the sum of frequency. N by 2 means half of the sum of frequency. What will be getting? Then n by 2, that means this number search on the y-axis. Suppose this point, that means n by 2 come here. Then we should draw a line horizontal to the x-axis or parallel to the x-axis, and this line cut or intersect at that point of this graph. Then from that point we should draw perpendicular on x-axis, and this perpendicular cut on the x-axis on that point, this point will be median. On the same way or by the same method we can find the median of median in the more than positive.